Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access General Management. Now tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. If you wish to access more of them, scroll down and tap on More typing options. Then manage them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!